All right, y'all, I'm making hobo stew today. We're starting with 3 chopped up russet potatoes, 2 chopped up stalks of celery, and 3 chopped up organic carrots. I'm using my Vitaclay nourishing pot today. We're also going to add 2 pounds of ground beef. This is a great multi-cooker that I just got from Vitaclay. It has no coating, no toxins in it if you're getting into the clean cooking. You're also going to put 15 ounces of tomato sauce as well as 14.5 ounces of diced tomatoes, or 1 regular can of diced tomatoes. And once you get your tomatoes in there, to finish off this veggie part of the recipe, we're going to put in 1 chopped up yellow onion. Once we got all our veggies in there, we're going to start in with our seasonings. We're going to do some onion powder. Guess we're going to do some extra oniony flavor in here. Garlic powder, about a teaspoon worth, a little more for me. Italian seasoning. One good thing about this multi-cooker is it cooks a lot faster than a regular slow cooker. And the clay, this thing is actually made out of clay. We're doing paprika as well, by the way, if you didn't see that. It actually enhances the flavor of your food. We're going to also add in some salt and pepper. And finally, once you got all your seasonings in there, we're going to put 4 cups of organic beef broth, or you can use regular if you want. I'm using the organic, which is this whole container. And once you have all of your beef broth squeezed into there, we're going to give all this a good stir to get those flavors nice and mixed around together. All right, y'all, once you got that nice and mixed together, we can put our lid on. Let me show you a nice cool feature of this. Go ahead and turn, if you have the Vitaclay, go ahead and turn it on. And you go to the soup stew setting, and we're going to set it at 90 minutes. Now, if you're doing it in a slow cooker, a regular one, you want to do it for about 4 to 5 hours on high. All right, y'all, after 90 minutes, go ahead and take your lid off. It's smelling good. We're going to put 1 can of drained corn, as well as 1 can of green beans, drained as well. Go ahead and get that stirred in with your stew. Once you have your corn and your green beans in there, go ahead and put your lid back on. We're going to cook it for another 15 to 20 minutes. All right, y'all, after it's cooked for another 15-20 minutes, this stew should be ready to go. So let's dig in. Oh yeah, look at that. Yum. Yo, that's really good. And it cooked through the potatoes and everything so fast, and the vegetables. Man, this thing is awesome. And I have a link for it. You can ask for it in the comments, or I'll put it down in the comments or in the description or in my story if you're interested in this nourishing pot.